In this video I'm going to show you how to download Assassin's Creed Shadows on your PC. So finding the right games can be quite tough. Steam games can get really expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, in this video I will show you how to find this game and download it on your PC without overspending. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. This will help our channel grow. The next step is to open Steam to find this game, and as you can see I have already selected it, but you can search it over here and search for Assassin's Creed Shadows. Then you will go to this page, we scroll a little bit down, and here you can see this price of the game. It's 69 euros, so that is quite expensive, but I got a better option. Just minimize the screen, and after that go to my description of this video. There will be a link, and that link will redirect you to this site. And after that you can search for the game Assassin's Creed Shadows. Now on the left side we will select games. After that we will sort by and then select price lowest first. We will scroll a little bit down because we want to look for a Steam key. As you can see we have a Steam key over here, and it is available in every country. It is for a global key. So we will select this, and as you can see this Steam key is already much cheaper than the game on Steam itself. So that is how you save yourself a lot of money by purchasing this game on this website. You will receive a Steam key through email with a confirmation mail with all the steps you need to follow to download the game from Steam. I hope these tips help you find this game without overspending and keep your PC safe. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit the bell for more tips. Happy gaming and see you next time.